Dubai real estate market is full of projects, but very few comes with a payment plan where you pay just 0.5%. Yes, you heard it right. Only 0.5% until handover. And even after the handover, the payment continues at just 1% for 40 months. Today, I'm going to show you Serenes by Danube, one of the newest launches with one of the most flexible payment plans in Dubai right now. Hi, I'm Kriya, your Dubai real estate expert. Today, we are taking a look at Serenes by Danube, designed for both investors and end users looking for affordable price to enter into the Dubai property market. Serenes is a residential development by Danube Properties, one of the most active developer in Dubai. The project offers modern apartments, flexible payment plans, and lifestyle amenities, which is something Danube is known for. Project by Danube usually attracts investors. Why? Because it combines affordable pricing with very flexible payment structures. Danube has delivered multiple successful projects in Dubai and different areas like JVC, Arjan, Furjan, and many other residential communities. They are mainly known for three things. First is competitive prices, second is very flexible post-over payment plans, and third is fully furnished apartment in many projects. And that's why many first-time investors start with Danube Properties. So let's talk a little deep about this project. This project is located right on JVC, just opposite to JVT community. The plot size of this project is 131,000 square feet. You can see total two towers, Tower A and Tower B. Now Tower A consists G plus 50 floors. However, Tower B is G plus 25. On the ground floor, they have created a very grand lobby. Also, there are 40 plus retail stores. On top, there is 4 podium level parking. And over here on top, they have created 44 plus amenities. And the total size for these amenities is 120,000 square feet. Now, you can see the infinity pool. This infinity pool is 88 square meter long, which is bigger than Olympic pool. And inside the swimming pool, they have also created sunken sitting area. And just right on the next to it, outdoor refresh zone is given. There is outdoor calisthenics station. Also, right opposite to that, there is sports facilities from basketball court to badminton court to pickleball to paddle court to football court. And over here on the center, there is water fountain, which is the attraction of this project. And just surrounding to the water fountain, they have also given the family cabana sitting area. And over here, there is some serenity garden they have created for the lush greeneries to have a relaxation and good time with the family. Right over here, next on left of the infinity pool, there is a lot of other amenities created, which is kids play area, cycling track, trampoline area, meditation zone, sensory park, sand pit, and many more. Also, Tower B has something really special. On top, you can see there is garden they have created, and right there it's a viewing deck which gives you the 360-degree view of surroundings. Now, this apartment has multiple layouts from studio, 1 bed, 2 bed, 3 bed, and there are some special units also like flexible 1 bed, flexible 2 bed, flexible 3 bed, where you can convert your 1 bedroom into 2 bedroom or even in 3 bedrooms. This apartment comes fully furnished. Also, there are 2 unique features that are featured into this project. First is nanny on call, second is doctor on call. So they have given this service for a lifetime free for everyone who resides in these towers. Let's take a look at Serenes by Danube, a newly launched project in JVC offering smart layouts and a full lifestyle experience. Starting with the studio apartments, sizes range from 400 to 450 square feet with prices starting from around 840,000 dirhams. 1 bedroom apartment range between 610 to 900 square feet along with 1.5 bedroom options between 710 to 850 square feet starting from approximately 1.18 million dirhams. Moving on, the 2 bedroom apartments range from 1000 to 1270 square feet with prices starting from around 1.7 million dirhams. For larger layouts, the 2.5 bedroom units go up to 1600 square feet, offering additional flexible space. And finally, the 3.5 bedroom apartments range from 2300 to 2500 square feet, starting from approximately 2.25 million dirhams, designed for spacious family living. Now let's talk about the biggest highlight of this project, that is the payment plan. Special offer that is given by Danube. Now here how it works. 10% down payment, then 10% after 2 months, and you pay 0.5% per month only. Then you pay 15% upon the handover, and there will be 40% post handover payment plan, which is again only 1% per month. This means buyers can spread payments over a long period while already owning the property. Now there are three major reasons that why investors invest in projects like Serene's. Very first is low monthly payment structure, which reduces their financial burden. Second, Danube brand, which has already developed multiple projects in Dubai. Third is entry price point, which is usually lower compared to many luxury developers. And this combination makes it attractive for first-time investors and rental buyers. If you are looking to enter into Dubai property market with low monthly payment plan and flexible post-handover payment structure, then Serene's by Danube is definitely worth considering. If you would like to know about this project or want to explore more investment opportunities in Dubai, feel free to reach out.